In today's video, we are going to show you how to get an API token here in Deriv. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials inside the dashboard. I want you to scroll down until you find your profile icon, click on it, and then scroll down until you find the API management. Click the Explore Deriv API because this is essential if you want to connect apps, build bots, or automate your trading on Deriv. I want you to click the dashboard or API Explorer. You will be forwarded to a new page. If you have already an API token, you can simply copy it. But if you don't have one, this is a perfect opportunity for you to create an API token. Click the Create button here. What will happen is you just have to provide the token's name and then the expiry date. In my case, I'm choosing April 30th. And then you can select the authorization scope. Is it going to be for trade, providing access to buying and selling contracts, or account management, providing access to create options trading account? It's up to you. But you may notice you can select both, and all I have to do now is click the Create Token. It's very quick and free. All I have to do is copy that API token into a safe place. Remember, this is a one-time secret. Store it safely before refreshing. Copy to clipboard, click the done, and basically that's it for today's video on how to create or get your API token in Deriv. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.